Okay guys, so I wanted to share with you my meal plan for the week of January 20th to January 26th, and this is what I have planned. So on Sunday, and I'm just doing dinner plans, I'm not doing the breakfast and all that. Okay, on Sunday, which is today, 1/20th, I'm having the calzones. I'm going to go make those right now. On Monday, the 21st, I'm having enchiladas with a salad. On Tuesday, the 22nd, it's cashew chicken, and I'll have a side like asparagus or something like that. On Wednesday, the 23rd, I'm having pizza. I'm making keto pizza. And then on the 24th, on Thursday, I'm having spaghetti. On Friday, the 25th, I'm having buffalo chicken with cheesy zucchini. And on a Saturday, the 26th, I'm having salmon with garlic zucchini. And then I'll be making for some desserts, I'm making cinnamon rolls, and I also made zucchini bread for my desserts for this week. I hope this isn't blurry because it looks blurry in the viewfinder, and I'm sorry. But anyways, that's what's going to be the meal plan for the week. Alright guys, so here is some of the groceries that I'll be needing for my week. This is about 2 to 3 days worth of ingredients. It's not everything, but this is what I got at the grocery store. So I have some salted butter right here, mozzarella cheese. I have 2 things of cream cheese, 2 packages of cream cheese. I have 3 mushrooms, containers of mushrooms. I have roasted salted pistachios, 2 quarts of heavy whipping cream. I also have some Barilla thin spaghetti for my kids, so when we have spaghetti they have this, and I have the zucchini noodles. I also have some sour cream. I have some eggs. Back here are some raviolis, cheese raviolis. This is what my kids use or eat when we have spaghetti. I have 2 of the Simply Truth organic tomato basil sauce, pasta sauce. Over here I do have some bacon back there, some thick cut bacon. I have some yellow onions here. I have some red bell peppers. I have some green bell peppers. I have a white onion here. I have a whole bunch of zucchinis right here. I have some chives here, onions. And then right here I have, these are for my chile relleno. What are these called? California?
The salad chilies. We call at work they're the salad.
Pasala?
But they're also called something else.
I thought they were California chilies. No.
It's the same. The other, whatever that was that I made the other day.
Yeah.
They called it something different, but it's the same.
It's pasala? Okay. So pasala chilies. This is going to be for some chile rellenos. Coconut sugar. This is what my husband uses. Coconut sugar. I hope you could see that. And then we have some cashews for some of the recipes. And that's it, guys. It was just really, really, really quick little haul. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you, this was dinner yesterday. Today is Sunday, January 20th, 2019, and it is 12 o'clock. And I'm gonna break my fast with this, but I just wanted to show you real quickly. This is a recipe that I pulled, okay? I felt like having some chile rellenos, but when I read the recipe, I just didn't care for it too much. So being that Mom was here, my mom did this in a keto version, but with the flair of the way she typically makes it. Basically everything's the same except for the flour is not flour, it's actually almond flour. But everything else, huh, Mom, is pretty much the same, huh?
Chile fresco.
Oh, yeah, this is a different type of chili. I'm sorry, different type of cheese. This is mozzarella cheese, which doesn't melt all that great. I don't think it does. But usually she uses like queso fresco. But other than that, everything else is the same way in how she makes it. So I didn't use a recipe, and I really actually like this a lot better. It was really, really good. But I just wanted to show you guys what I'm having today for to break my fast is last night's dinner. So these are so good, so good.
Hot.
But hot. Yes, they are very hot, very spicy. Okay, guys, that's it. Okay, guys. So my mom and I are making the calzones, and here are some. They're not. We haven't put them in the oven yet. We're just. This is like the first row that you see there is all cheese, and then over here is meat. And then over here, this is how my mom is assembling them together. Like that. She put some meat we had some steak, and she just cut it up and put tomatoes in it, and then we added some jalapenos. And then those are the little dough balls right there. So then she just, my dog's growling, I'm sorry, I don't know why. But there you go. Just like that. He's growling, I don't know why. And then, oh, she puts the holes on top. Like that. And there you go. Okay, so here's I made 2 batches of the dough. So this one, we're just gonna make this into 12 little round balls, and then we smash it. So this is ready to go. And basically what this is, 3 cups of mozzarella cheese, 2 cups of almond flour, about 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, and 2 eggs, and then you season it however you like with garlic, salt. I put a little bit of rosemary in there. But that's it, guys. So I will show you when they are done and out of the oven. Okay, guys, so here they are. This one here has already been eaten by my family, but I haven't eaten yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and have some of these. Look at those, and they smell so delicious. My family really liked it, so this is a hit, and I will definitely be making these again. My husband wants to
Imagine if it had pepperoni and sausage.
Pepperoni and sausages, he says. But also you,
Hot Pocket.
yeah, hot pocket, yeah. But we could do it, yeah, for like a breakfast type.
Or you could do eggs and bacon.
Eggs and bacon or whatever in there. This is definitely a repeat, and it was easy, but it was a little time consuming, but it was easy.
And I found the recipe.
Husband found the recipe. Yes. All right, guys. I just wanted to show you how. It's on. I want to show you how it looked when it just freshly came out of the oven. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next one. Bye.